Oh, my camera keeps scaring me, guys. My camera is always falling. I'm also gonna go heat up the pan. The pan is bigger than my tortilla wrap, so I'm making the egg a little bit smaller. Then I'm gonna sprinkle on some cheese. Tortilla wrap on top. Oh no, the wrap is bigger than my egg, guys. Let me try and squeeze my egg in a little bit. And then I'm gonna put on some ham. Then I'm folding this into half. And giving it a flip. I don't know if the cheese inside is melted yet. Now I'm gonna turn on the fire for the water because I need to boil water to make the poached egg. Ta-da! I'm using a different pan for the toast because I want to get the lines across my toast. For today's toast, I'm using homemade black sesame bread because I don't have other kinds of bread. I'm gonna put a piece of cheese on my bread so that it wouldn't be so cold. An avocado. Ooh, let's see if I can do this. Wow, I did it, guys. I broke it. Oh, I made the yolk show. No. Done. This is what it looks like. trying to be as quick as I can because my sisters are already hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna be quick. Half a banana. Wow, looks so good. So the left. Okay, now I'm gonna decorate the plate and make it look really presentable. And that's one plate done. Another plate done. Lastly, the poached egg toast. And it's done. Rate it out of 10.
Not enough cheese.
Not enough cheese.
Enough look, I rate it 9 out of 10. What's special?
Wow. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. And if there's any other recipes you guys want to see me try, just feel free to comment them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!